Hey everyone, and welcome to the Deep Dive. You ready to jump into the world of AI with me?
I am. Let's do it.
All right, so this is a brand new series we're calling AI 101,
Uh-huh.
your crash course to understanding everything AI. We're going to be diving deep over the next 20 episodes.
20. Wow, that's quite the commitment.
Well, yeah, we really want you to come out of this understanding, like really
If you're
understanding,
empowered.
yeah, empowered by AI. And we have a little helper along the way.
Ooh, who's
It's
that?
Google's NotebookLM. This amazing tool is going to help us put together all of these episodes.
So it's like having a research assistant working behind the scenes. Awesome.
Exactly. And a pretty smart one at that.
Yeah.
Now, you might be asking, why AI? Why now?
Yeah, it seems like it's everywhere all of a sudden.
It kind of is, but AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore. It's here, it's now, it's changing the world.
Absolutely. And it's honestly pretty mind-blowing. Think about it. Computers that can learn, reason, even create.
Almost like a human brain. It's
Mhm.
crazy.
What blows my mind is how integrated AI is in our lives already. I mean, think about it. You get those recommendations on Spotify or Netflix,
Yeah.
AI, or how about Google Maps?
Yeah, definitely AI.
It's working quietly behind the scenes, influencing so much of what we do every single day. And like you said, this is just the beginning.
Seriously, just the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah,
So think of yourself kind of like a grasshopper, from the show Kung Fu.
I love that show.
Throughout this series, you're going to be learning this ancient art of AI from us, I guess.
The wise masters.
We won't make you do any crazy training or anything.
No chopping wood or carrying water buckets.
Definitely not. But we are going to challenge you to think differently, to really open your mind to the potential,
And the reality.
the reality of AI. We're going to introduce you to all the key players in this world, the companies, the researchers, the groundbreaking products.
The stuff that's actually shaping the future. We're going to break down some pretty complex stuff like neural networks,
Which, to put it simply,
are basically algorithms that mimic the human brain, allowing computers to learn from massive amounts of data.
that's right. And we'll even get into some real-world examples, how AI is transforming healthcare,
Revolutionizing finance.
even creating art. Like, ever heard of those self-driving cars?
Of course.
That's AI in action.
It's pretty amazing what we can do with AI now.
But, and this is a big but,
There's always a but.
AI isn't a magical solution to every problem.
Exactly. And we have to be mindful of the potential downsides, the impact on jobs, privacy, even the way our society functions.
These are things we'll definitely be exploring too throughout the series.
Keeping it real.
So, strap in, Grasshopper. Every week, a new AI 101 lesson. Next time, we're meeting the modern masters, the geniuses behind this whole AI revolution.
Sounds like a can't miss episode.
It is. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And until then,
Patience, young grasshopper.